Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. This is my day 26 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. My name is Nikita and today I speak about related body part names. Okay, let's start. This is forehead. Temples, okay, nose, lip, ears, eyes, पलक झपकाना, eyelid, eyelash, okay, eyebrow, hair, tongue, teeth, mouth, chin, cheek, finger, hand, कलाई, wrist, मुट्ठी, fist, हथेली, palm, कंधा, shoulder, गला, neck, ये आई elbow, कोहनी elbow, घुटना knee, thumb, so this is body part name. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for all of us. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.